Everybody, this is David Foss with MarineMax in Wakefield, Rhode Island, where we're standing aboard a brand new 2026 Sea Ray SDX 250 boat. It's a 25-foot bow rider. We're going to do a quick walkthrough on some of the features, but just so you know, this is an in-stock boat that is available for sale. It could get you on the water this year. So on this Sea Ray 250, you'll notice a huge aft sun pad. This is a redesigned boat from Sea Ray. The backrest flips to extend it and give you full lounge space. And this is all sitting right in front of our Mercury 250 horsepower V8 engine, giving this boat plenty of power for water sports and for getting around all these saltwater areas in southern New England. Coming in through the boat, you notice Sea Ray does an exceptional job with the social aspect layout of it. I have these seat backrests facing in the aft position. So when you're at anchor, you're at the beach, you're hanging out, everyone can be social, hanging out together, eating lunch, and just enjoying your time together. These backrests do flip forward for when you're driving the boat, multiple different positions, double wide captain's chair right in front of your beautiful Sea Ray helm. It does have twin Simrad screens, Lenco trim tabs, and you do have your Mercury digital throttle binnacle there. Have a look at how beautiful that is. Part of the redesign is the rounded glass windshield, which sits just below our large Sea Ray bimini top. There's a huge sunshade on this for when you need it in those hot days you want to get out of the sun. Also part of the redesign is they actually moved the Fusion Bluetooth stereo over to the companion side, which is a great new feature, so that way the captain's not distracted by changing the stereo. Your companions, everyone else on the boat, can be adjusting the music as they please. Another great feature on the Sea Ray 250 is this huge storage compartment we have. All your beach bags, or if somebody wanted to throw a towel down there and lay out and just take a break from the sun. Then moving forward, you'll see ample bow space, lots of seating, wraparound bolsters. There is stereo speakers up here, cup holders, and an anchor locker. There's also a bow and stern table for maximum leisure. So again, this is a Sea Ray 250 SDX, and this boat is available at MarineMax in Wakefield, Rhode Island. Look us up on the internet, give us a call. We look forward to talking to you.